Okay guys, this is my first Louis Vuitton. Let's see what I have inside. Okay, this is the package. Let's see what's inside. This has the bag, wallet, let me show you how it looks inside. So this is how it looks inside. So this is the first compartment. This is the cards compartment. This is another compartment. Zip here. There's a card here. And then the same thing. Sure. Do you think it's pretty? Let me know in the comments below. So this is how it looks on the website. You can check it out. I've got the gray color with the cream color. So this is how it looks.